Hey, welcome back. Today's Swiss Army knife will be the White Christmas 2018 Sportsman by Victorinox. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. Every year since 2015, Victorinox has produced a special edition knife series for Christmas, and for 2018, it's the White Christmas Sportsman. This Sportsman has a stainless steel Christmas tree inlaid into the white scales, and has stars etched on the main blade, and it was supplied with a special white-handled mini screwdriver. It carries an identification number of 0.3804.77. And as you see there, the nomenclature of White Christmas 18. And there were about 15,000 of these produced. So let's open it up here and take a look. So we get kind of the similar plastic packaging with the snowflakes and whatnot on it. We get our standard care, use, and maintenance pamphlet. And then we get our better look at that stainless steel inlay of a Christmas tree. Now the Sportsman is very similar to a Spartan. It's 85 millimeters or 84 millimeters. And then we're right at about 1/2 inch wide scale to scale. Starting on the back here, we have our 4-turn solid corkscrew, and we do see that special edition at the time white eyeglass screwdriver or precision screwdriver, and that is of the newer design. I don't know how well that shows on camera, but a little bit sharper of a indent there. And get that 4-turn solid corkscrew. And we do have a hole for a straight pin, but this one does not have it. Our standard reamer awl with the sewing eye and sharpened edge. And then as far as the Sportsman and these smaller 84 millimeter knives, I'm not sure how the keychain plays on that. I know some of them have keychains, some of them don't, but we do see that we have the key ring on this model. Get our standard opening layer with the can opener and precision screwdriver. The cap lifter with the wire bender and hollow ground screwdriver that contains the 90-degree stop. We get our standard main blade, but this one has the stars etched on it for Christmas. Nothing on the rear. Then for a tang stamp, we get Victorinox Victorinox Swiss made stainless. The officer's Suisse on the back. We get our nail file nail cleaner. And if you look at some of the other Sportsmans, they have a little bit different grind on that nail file. So somewhere that is a date change or a tool evolution. And I have an older one we'll look at down the road here. Get our typical scale tools with the tweezers and the plastic tip. And our toothpick. And this one does have a number on it. Looks like 23. Or maybe, yep, 23. But nice little knife for the collection. Especially with the white and that stainless inlay. Looks pretty good. Don't get anything on the rear. If you like these videos, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another.